Alright, it's a quick pulse analysis. It's part of the pre-analysis that I did yesterday, which I promised at the end of my video, saying that I'm going to give the pulse analysis of how that trade later work. Is it working as I'm expecting it or not? So quickly, not to waste much time, I'm going to use this drawing line and draw something. Okay, if we look at this highest point, we look at this lowest point, higher low, we look at this lower highs, and we look at this lower low, we can see that we are having something that called a channel structure. Then if we look at the lowest point, we can see that the lowest point is not coming lower. So as I mentioned, this is the reason why I need to go for the buy side instead of selling, and based on that I have the market closer to this area, then I may take it to this highest point, or I will use the next high low that it's going to present. So yesterday I was saying something power, I call power, which is right here, a session break. Power means session break. We break a session. Normally, if there is no power, there is no activity in the market. Like market will be doing like this, Asia, London open, nothing. Couldn't take the highest point. New York open, nothing. Couldn't take the highest point. Normally that day the market will be nothing. Normally we don't really have a market. So as for the continuation, I would like to continue giving you the reason why. Yesterday I mentioned that if the market by this area and the market drop like this, maybe if the market drop like this, if the market drop like this, if the market drop from here, if the market drop like this, I will be expecting this area to hold. Market to hold around this line, and then we'll take it maybe within London or New York. But as I wake up in the morning, I give the time for the market to do something, which is from here to do. I find out that Asia was just tight, very, very tight. Then I realize, okay, this highest point, it makes new higher low, it makes new lower highs, which it fails to make lower low, and then we have something that it fails to make lower low, and then we have something that called V formation. And this V formation, it's a turnaround, and not to mention we are holding above this level. Why this level? Because this level has a strong memory behind it. A support is not a support without memory. Why this thing? We look at this area, many people will be looking target to this area because it has memory, because people remember when the market reached there, it dropped. So people will keep buying here, taking it to these highs, buying here, taking it to the highs, which is this area. So if I'm going to say that market has to go that area, because the memory people is working, the memory is working. So as the memory is working, it will make people to remember. But this price is less likely for the people to remember, because that's why we went through it. Like, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Nobody think to reverse the market from there. So normally, but this one, it was remembered because it's a complete consolidation, bigger consolidation, and then we have the V formation, and then the market hold. So there is something I call around this area a money illusion, where mind state, these people are looking for a sell, these people are looking for a buy, then I use this line as my godfather, and then these guys, they can't take the market lower, but based on they did not, I can say they can't take the market lower. So people are what I call, there is a build-up of order around this area. So these people, as these people are looking for the sell, and then these people are looking for the buy, but this one is too fresh, this one is an alt, so that's why this guy, they ended up winning it. And then when the news came out, when I have this news, I say, wow, this buy is so valid, I can't wait for the market to come all the way till here before I can do the buy. So I went down to 15 minutes, I took the trade right here. And why I exited here, I can give you the picture of the trade. This is the picture of the trade. I exited right there. I exited right here because I was looking the way the candles is shrinking, the movement is more shrinking, and then at the end of it, it just get bigger. And normally, anyhow, anyway, maybe it will start reversing, do the retest around this area before it will continue. So I don't want to wait for that. I will just later exit there and look for the next move up, which I observe today is going to be slow market because we have a lot of holidays that are around. So which it makes me, I don't want to stay too long, which it normally, if we think like that, the profitable trade, it will become a losing trade and we can have something to do. We start feeling frustration and bad feelings that will cause us to stay imbalance in the market, which will start the feelings of revenge and other stuffs like that. So and then this is the last picture that I'm going to show. This is how much I made on this trade. I think I made only 900 USD on this trade. Around that area I made at least 900 USD. This is 2.0 position. So this is the performance on this one. I don't really mean to take it too long, but I have a lot of things to say about the trade. If you are interested, you can just contact me. I hope you understand what I said. Anything that you don't understand, you can just message me. Thanks for your watching, and thanks for your time, and thanks for everything. I'm looking forward to give you more exciting information about trades.